In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Spotify Wrapped. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your yearly recap and what to do if it doesn't show up right away. First, open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually use to listen, because Wrapped is tied to your listening history on that specific account. This works on both iPhone and Android, and the experience is very similar on each. Once the app is open, head to the Home tab. It's the button at the bottom left corner of the screen. When Wrapped is live for the year, you'll typically see a prominent Wrapped section right at the top of Home. It might appear as a colorful banner or card inviting you to view your year in music. Tap that Wrapped entry to open it. Your personalized Spotify Wrapped will appear as a series of stories and cards that highlight your top artists, songs, genres, minutes listened, and more. You can tap through at your own pace, pause on slides you want to read closely, and save or share highlights as you go. If Wrapped doesn't show up on Home, make sure your app is fully up to date. Open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Spotify, and tap Update if you see it. An outdated app can prevent Wrapped from appearing, so once you've updated, reopen Spotify and check the Home tab again. Still not seeing it? Try searching for it inside the app. Tap the search button in the bottom menu, then type Spotify Wrapped 2025, or simply use the current year. If a dedicated Wrapped result is available, tap it to jump straight into your recap. Another quick option is to use a web browser, open Google or your preferred browser, and search for Spotify Wrapped. Tap the official Spotify result, and when prompted, choose to open it with your browser or directly with the Spotify app. This link often routes you right to the Wrapped experience. If your Wrapped still doesn't appear, it may be an eligibility issue. Spotify only generates Wrapped for active users, and you need to have listened enough throughout the year for the feature to compile meaningful stats. Also, keep in mind that Wrapped rolls out seasonally, so availability can take a little time to reach everyone. Once it's available, you can view, save, and share your Wrapped directly from Spotify, sending highlights to friends, or posting them to social media. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.